Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about BeeHiiv, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your email sender name in BeeHiiv? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the sender name for your BeeHiiv emails anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're sending out emails through BeeHiiv as your marketing effort, you know that your open rate can be affected depending on what your sender name appears to your subscribers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your BeeHiiv account. It's this website here, app.beehiiv.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can find this information. So I've already logged into my BeeHiiv account. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to change the name of the sender that appears on your emails, you need to click on this hamburger menu down here on the bottom right, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you will see a drop-down menu. And in order to change the sender name, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see this button here called audience. It looks like two little people next to it. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and just go ahead and click on this one here called subscribe forms. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get the subscribe forms button. But to change the email sender name that appears on your emails, up here at the top, there's a drop-down menu next to subscribe forms. Just click on this little arrow and you should see this drop-down menu, and you need to click on general. Okay, so here is where you're going to be able to change the email sender name in BeeHiiv. So just scroll down until you get to this section here called sender name. So they give you a description. It says this is who subscribers will see the email is from in their inbox. Typically the name of your newsletter or the author. It should not be an email address. So what we're going to do is go down to this section here, sender name, and then click on this little pencil icon. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and enter in the name of the sender that's going to show up on the email. So you can go ahead and put the name of the company if you wish to do so. You can also put your name if you want to do that. You're going to need to think about who your audience is and what's going to get them to open up your email. So for me, I'll just put my company name. Okay, and then once you have decided on the name of the sender that's going to show up on their emails, you click on save, and you're going to see this pop up saved. So as you can see right here, sender name, it's going to show Make Money Anthony. So anytime that I send an email from my BeeHiiv account, that is what is going to show up in their inbox. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to change the email sender name in your BeeHiiv, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.